We actually want to write the information in our resume. There's a very easy place to start. Over here, there is what did you do, with whom did you do it, and why. So a very easy way to start doing to do your resume over here, to look at this, is look at the actions. What did you do? Managed, coordinated, organized, sold, connected. I can go on and on. Then what did I manage? Manage a team of 5 people. What did I coordinate? An 8-month project. Organize. What did you organize? Now, if you notice, all of these are specific. They're all numbers. They're all specifics. I don't say I managed a team. I don't say I coordinated a project. I don't say I sold franchises. The only one that here is a little bit open over here is the various departments. So, being as specific as you can in your writing the entire time that you're writing. So, if I look at this, and I'll give you a bad example now that I've given you a good example. If I say managed team and completed projects, it could be anybody, right? Hell, a high school kid can manage a project, manage a team. When they're a team captain, they can manage a team, right? Are you in high school? Is this a high school student or a CEO? What's the difference? This is the push and pull when we start to write this stuff down. We know we've thought about who we are. We've thought about the format we're writing in over here. We've thought about some of our weaknesses. Now let's be specific about us, what we're doing. If you're gonna do something, be specific. Even if you research, let's go something very simple over here, right? It's an example. A lot of us are research individuals. I mean, I've done this before as well, right? Your boss comes in on your desk and says, look, I need you to find all the material you can about, 16th century Dutch painters. Okay, so I want to say, okay, research painters, research artwork, compiled information, categorized information, read and identified. I can break this into smaller tasks over here, right? So I can do this, look like this. I can say, researched art materials for team leader, identified Dutch artists, read history. No, let me say that. Oh, give me a number. 5 history books on the topic. Consulted resources from over 100 plus websites. Contacted museums for guidance.